Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a quick video on the restoration process for my upper control arms, which you can see over there. It's going to be a short one, but I'll show you the tools, the process, all that kind of stuff, and how you can get them to look from garbage to fantastic. So here is the original control arm. I burnt it, just getting bushings out. Most of that just comes off with your fingers. I am going to be using my parts washer. If you don't have one, you can just use brake clean or anything. Just anything to get the carbon and stuff like that off of there. But we'll be cleaning all the scale off, polishing it, and sealing it to make it look like this, which, as far as I know, the Supra arms didn't actually come polished. They came just straight aluminum, but I think these look pretty solid. Yeah, I'll show you the tools and we'll go ahead and get started. So first step's going to be cleaning. I'll be doing it again in my parts washer. You can use brake clean, whatever you'd like. I'll go ahead and time lapse it in and show you the end result. All right, so this is everything you need minus your parts washer, and you can again use a parts washer or brake clean or whatever. And this is a little Brillo pad and different wire brushes to get the scale off, and then you'll come in with your drill and use heavy metal polish from Chemical Guys, a rag, polishers, all that kind of stuff, and polish them up to chrome. We'll go ahead and start using our billow pad and our wire brush to get all this stuff knocked off and get it smooth. This is all cleaned up, as you can see. A little rough, but we're going to go ahead and polish it out. Not looking for perfection on this, just, you know, a little bit better than what it was. I think it's going to end up being a lot better than what it was. But again, we are using Chemical Guys heavy duty metal polish. Good stuff there from Chemical Guys. We'll be using a polisher on a wheel, like a ball, and then a disc, and then obviously a microfiber. You can do it all with just a microfiber if you really want to. It's a lot of elbow grease, but it can certainly be done. So we'll go ahead and get started on polishing. Alright, there it is. Nice and polished. Super quick and easy. Again, not perfect, but that's not what we're going for. You just want it to look nice. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty solid with that. I've got the other half to do. I've already done one of them over there. Got the other two arms to do. Got a lot of other stuff going on. Some of you guys will spot those strong flex bushings. Got a whole kit going in the car. Waiting on some fab work, some powder coating, all that kind of stuff. All right, that is it for me on this one. Hands are all dirty. I'm gonna keep polishing these things out, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.